Hi again, it's ApriLynn. Today we are gonna dress up as Strawberry Shortcake for Halloween. So let's do our makeup like her and then we'll get into the outfits. I'm doing the 1980s Strawberry Shortcake version. So let's look at her makeup. It looks like she has rosy cheeks, rosy nose, and like right here area. And like 3 freckles, 3. And the lashes. It looks like she has like literally no lips. So we might have to make our lips a little bit. Oh, I already don't have any lips. She mostly just has the bottom lip. So we'll block this one out a little bit. Make this one more. Not that I need to, because that's pretty much what I have. Do it a little bit more. This is gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now I just gotta decide what blush I wanna wear. My favorite blushes of all time. I think we're gonna go with this one, which I happen to use the most. Rosy cheeks. Glass while I'm thinking in my head. I mind my own, I don't even break a sweat. Oh, this matters is insane. Why you still live in vain? I'm not the one, you're the victim. I'm so pink. I think that looks beautiful. Okay, now for the freckles, I'm just going to use e.l.f. foundation adjuster. This is my favorite way of doing makeup freckles. Then just like a brow or eyeliner pencil to dip into the concoction. And 3 freckles. Of your own mistakes, it's time to hit the lights under the street lights, under the street lights. I'm sure she's not wearing highlighter, but I'm gonna wear highlighter. And if it was me, I would put glitter on, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just a glitter freak. Now let's apply some lashes and do the lip. And then we're already gonna be done with the makeup. It's so easy. Oh, beautiful. Nude lips. I'm gonna use the same blush for my lips. My bottom lip. So it matches. No mistakes. Lastly, the lashes. I'm just gonna do my more natural lashes. Okay, voila, makeup is done. Hair is, I'm just doing it, wearing it like this because that's what her hair looks like. Then I made this hat, but I forgot to record it. Cue clip of me pretending to make this hat because I forgot to record it. It's a little strawberry. It's not exactly like the girls, or not exactly like Strawberry Shortcakes, but I made this hat before I decided. That's her hat. This is my hat. I made the hat before I decided to do that. The hat inspired it. In the pictures, she has like her bangs all in the front, and then her hair's over to the side. When we were younger, we used to roller skate in our basement because it was cement, listening to records on the record player that my mom had, and one of them had a Strawberry Shortcake song. Now I just need to put my outfit on. Her outfit is, she has brown shoes, green and white tights, white bloomers, red dress with polka dots. Her dress looks like it has black polka dots, but I couldn't find one cheap enough because I didn't want to spend $1 billion. So I have a red dress with white polka dots, which matches my hat better, so. And an apron, and the hat, and I have all of that. So let's go put it on.
Untold stories, they were left behind. The silent breeze, I got nothing on my mind. This madness is insane. Why you still live in vain? I'm not the one, you're the victim of your own mistakes. It's sad to hear the lights under the street lights, under the street lights.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. But somehow I lost you on the way. I assumed you left me behind. Lifeless days and sleepless nights, so tired of it. I can't get you off my mind, can't forget it. Now I know what I've got to do is find my way back to you. Waiting on the day you would come back to me, hoping that I didn't burn a bridge I couldn't see. And now that you're by my side again, I'll never leave you behind.
I'm in the process of making some bloomers because I couldn't find any. Jacob's calling me. Hello?
Hello?
Strawberry, strawberry.
Strawberry shortcake, I love you. Yes, I do. Strawberry shortcake, I love you. Yes, I do. Yeah, 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 yeah. So here's the finished outfit. Cute, 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 cute. Shoes are thrifted tights, Amazon. I made the bloomers. I think they're falling off. Dress I got from Shein, Amazon, but redid. And I made the hat.
So that's it. This is a strawberry shortcake Halloween costume. I love it so much. It's so cute. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video.